Thank you so much for returning to my YouTube channel. My name is Madeline Naipo. Yes, she scooted the camera a little in. Why? Because this is the second time I'm filming this video. Why? Because when I had the camera a little bit too far, everything was a little fuzzy. So after cleaning the lens and adjusting the camera and adjusting the lighting, because it is either overcast or sunny, we got the camera in the right position. I got a chance to try more earrings for the second time. Got to find out which ones I really love. So the first ones, these earrings are actually from eBay. Since I'm filming this again, before I forget, earrings from eBay. Love it. Gotta love it, yeah, cool. I think this is a fun one to go ahead and buy. It's like a little singular leaf, but I thought it was so fun. One where there's gold in the middle. This one actually has gold on the exterior. You could probably wear it backwards if you want, and it has solid gold. But this one has gold on the trim, or gold tone on the trim, and then silver flat glitter in the center. And yes, I'm not looking in the monitor like I'm supposed to, because I'm trying on earrings. I want to make sure I'm in focus. I think this one is cute. This one is two-toned. See? So much bling going on. A lot of diamond cut. Ooh, far away. Let's try to go far away. I have to show the top. I'm gonna run some errands because I have white shorts on. So who knows? I might end the video with this one here because I still got my white Christian Lacroix handbag. Gotta run some errands today. This is the same vendor, but a different design. But this is what it looks like. So if you want, and you don't want the pearl, you can just go ahead and take it off and just wear it just by itself. But I don't want to lose the pearl. You could probably transfer it and put another gemstone if you want. I think if you're able to find different gemstones, like if you do wire beading, you could probably make your own little gemstones and probably just change it out. I got two of these. They don't make it in silver, just in gold. Okay, we're getting there. I know. You're like, girl, stop talking. We want to know about the earrings. Stop yapping. Okie dokie. These are actually pearls. And I changed it out to lever back because it was like with a regular hook. So it came with a regular hook, but I changed it out to lever back because I used to make beaded jewelry before. You look, I can just play with it like this and it doesn't go flying off. Where if it was with the hook, it would probably be flying behind the couch right now. But it's not. And I have not just that one, but I have another pair right here. So it's gonna go in a Ziploc bag because we don't want them getting tangled. And this one is a little shell with a pearl up on the top. I think it'll show better once I put it on. With a single pearl up at the top. I wish I was able to change it out. I probably could. And put like my diamond earrings in there. And change it out and put diamonds on the top. But I think the pearls make it look a little bit more tropical since it's shells down at the bottom. So I like those. Ooh, cute, yeah? For those of you who love your jewelry, because some people don't like jewelry, some people like beauty and makeup and skincare. Some people like hair products, some people like handbags, some people like shoes. I like earrings. You know this earrings, lots of earrings. Okie dokie, love it so much. We have another pair. Let's put that one back on the side. Very lightweight, not heavy. Because if it's heavy, then I'm not going to end up wearing it. But we're going to put this two-toned one back on. One side and another. Ooh, I like this one. Love it. So I love going ahead and finding affordable options on eBay. So let me know if you go ahead and shop on eBay and what kind of deals and steals do you actually find on eBay. Go ahead and let me know by leaving me your comments down in the comment section down below. So my name is Madeline Naipo. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm a Hawaii YouTuber. Don't forget to click on that notification bell and subscribe to my channel for future videos that I upload every week. So until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Aloha. Bye-bye.